This video will show how a scratch is repaired using hard fill. The first step is to scuff the scratch using 1200 wet dry sandpaper to remove all high spots on the edges of the scratch. Light sanding is all that is needed. Next, remove any loose fibers inside the scratch to allow a solid base for the fill to adhere to. Clean the area with quick clean and a clean cloth to remove all contaminants. It's always a good idea to pre-color your defects to reduce the possibility of white lines around your repair. Use the correct ultramark that has been matched to your panel. Shake the marker well and pump the color into the nib while catching any excess in a cloth. Wipe all the excess color off the face of the panel, leaving color only in the scratch. Select your hard fill color, and because this is a scratch, you will not be doing any coloring on the fill. In this case, select a fill that will look like a natural mark in the wood. We'll be melting the fill with a battery-powered burn-in knife. Slide the switch to the on position and hold the top button down to activate the heat. The knife will melt the hard fill water thin. This allows the fill to grab on and adhere to the wood fibers. Don't be concerned with any drops that get on the face of the wood. They will be removed easily after it dries. Make sure any bubbles are broken apart in the liquefied fill by tapping on them. This fill needs wood fibers or sanding scratches to adhere. It will slide off smooth finished material. To assure the fill is hard, allow it to cool for about 30 seconds before leveling. We'll use a leveling tool that has both straight files and angled files. The straight side has files that wrap around both sides of the tool. This gives you the ability to level profiles and inside corners at one time. I'll be using the straight file side for this scratch. Light pressure is all that is needed to start the leveling process. Applying too much pressure will have the tool dig into the fill and pull it out. Shaving thin layers will give you a much better result. The excess fill will build up between the files. This will be easily cleaned with the white cleaning tool. The cleaning tool has teeth on it. Insert the cleaning teeth into the file grooves and scrape clean. Any final leveling, if needed, should be done with 1200 grit paper and a small block. Very light sanding is all that is needed. Clean the sanding dust and any excess hard fill from around the scratch with Quick Clean sprayed on a clean cloth. Be careful not to wipe over the fill. Top coat this scratch with the correct sheen to match your panel. This fill accepts any sheen from dead flat to gloss.